What is that?
Don't you know what that is? It's an audio device.
I see.
Let's face it. Are you going to tell me your name or what?
I'd rather not. What's in a name anyways? Besides, we both know that's not the reason you're here.
You're right. February 3rd in Atlanta. New England 13, Los Angeles 3. NASDAQ down 400 points as stock index plummets. Typhoon hits Southeast Asia weeks before the start of the rainy season, surprising meteorologists around the globe.
Simple drabble, that's all.
Sports scores, weather predictions, election results, and even murders. You sent these to me days, weeks, months before you could have possibly known about it.
I have been busy.
You're right, I don't want to know your name. I want to know how you did this.
The answer is simple, my friend. I'm from the future. All right, I can see you don't believe me.
I mean, I can see you're from the future.
Look, if you're going to be so stubborn, then I'll...
No, not at all. Just thinking you're full of shit.
If you're going to be so close-minded, then I'll gladly show you to the door.